1. We cut the sample into 3 by 3 cm pieces, 50 g dry weight. It is then diluted in 2 liters of water and placed into the pulper for about 10 minutes. Step 2. After pulping, the CEPI method requires analyzing the auxiliary soluble substances. We take 300 g of the mixture, filter 70 g and collect the water. This water is then dried in an oven. We repeat the process for both the sample and the blank. This data is essential for calculating recyclability according to the CEPI method. Step 3. The mixture is diluted in 5 liters of water and inserted into the Somerville for 5 minutes, using a 0,5 mm plate. This separates all non-paper components. The liquid rejected by the machine, called the first accept, is collected for further analysis. Step 4. After 5 minutes, we collect the coarse rejects and dry them in the oven. Once dry, the material is weighed. This allows us to calculate the percentage of coarse rejects compared to the original sample, which means everything that is not paper. Step 5. We filter part of the first accept to determine its consistency. It is dried for 1 hour to calculate the amount of fiber dissolved in the water. Once this evaluation is done, we collect 5 liters of the first accept to form a small sheet weighing 1,8 grams. Step 6. The sheet is first dried for 7 minutes. Then placed in an oven between 2 metal plates at 130 degrees, under constant pressure for 2 to 3 minutes. If glue is present, the sheet tends to stick. After 2 to 3 minutes, it's cooled down and passed through a crystallizer. Once out of the crystallizer, the sheet is opened. If glue is present, the step will break it. Step 7. Finally, the sheet is used for a visual evaluation, which assigns a score to its recyclability.